Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is about calculating the fair market value of cash flows and annuities. This is quarter 4 about numbers and algebra for grade 11 general mathematics. Again, this is quarter 4 numbers and algebra. Lesson Roman numeral number 4, calculating the fair market value of cash flows and annuities. Intended learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to A. Define fair market value, FMV, of a cash flow stream. Letter B. Differentiate between present value and future value in the context of annuities. Letter C. Apply formulas to calculate the present value of an ordinary annuity and an annuity due. Solve practical problems involving the fair market value of cash flow streams that include annuities. Letter E. Interpret real-world applications of annuity valuation, such as loans, investments, and retirement plans. What is fair market value, FMV? Fair market value is the price at which an asset, investment, or services or series of cash flows would trade between a willing buyer and seller in an open market. For annuities, FMB represents the present value, PB, of all expected future payments, discounted back to today's value using the given interest rate. Cash flow streams and annuities. A cash flow stream is a series of payments received or paid over time. If the cash flow is equal and periodic, it forms an annuity. Types of annuities. Number 1, ordinary annuity. Payments occur at the end of each period. Annuity due. Payments occur at the beginning of each period. Formulas used. The present value of an ordinary annuity, PBOA. So PB is the PMT times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n over I. Present value of an annuity due, PBAO. So PB is equals to PMT times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n over I times 1 plus I, where PMT is periodic payment, I is the interest rate per period, and N is the number of periods. Step-by-step procedure. Identify the cash flow stream, the payment amount, the frequency, and the duration. Determine whether the annuity is ordinary or due. Find appropriate interest rate and number of compounding periods. Apply the correct PB formula to discount the annuity. Interpret the result as the fair market value of the annuity today. For example, a company agrees to pay 50,000 pesos annually for 8 years with a market interest rate of 6%. So we're given PMT 50,000, I 0.06, and 8. Therefore, PB is equal to 50,000 times 1 minus 1 plus 0.06 raised to negative 8 over 0.06. Calculating the value, the answer is 310,400 pesos. Interpretation. The fair market value of this cash stream is approximately 310,490 pesos today. Key takeaways. The fair market value of an annuity is essentially its present value. The type of annuity, ordinary versus due, affects its FMV. Interest rate and time periods are crucial. Higher rates or longer durations significantly change the fair market value. Real-world applications include valuing pensions, insurance policies, investments, and loans. Learning how to calculate FMB equip learners with essential tools for financial decision making. Practice problems for our quarter 4 numbers and algebra lesson Roman numeral number 4, calculating the fair market value of cash flows and annuities. Number 1. A man deposits 10,000 pesos at the end of every year for 6 years in a fund earning 8% compounded annually. Find the market value of his annuity today. Given our payment, let's represent it this time by R, is 10,000 pesos. End of each period. So it's an ordinary annuity. The number of years, T is 6. And then the interest rate is 8% per year. So it is 0.06. The number of periods, N, is equal to 6. Fair market value today, or the present value of the annuity, is the one that is required. The solution formula for PB. PB is equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N over I. And then, substitute the value of R, which is 10,000, the I, which is 0.08, and the N, which is 6, the PB is equal to 46,228 pesos and 80 centavos. And the final answer is 46,228 and 60 centavos. Number 2. A cooperative receives 50,000 pesos every year for 12 years. If the discount rate is 5% compounded annually, calculate the fair market value. So, given the payment, let's represent it with R, 50,000 annual. So, the number of years is T. And the discounted rate I is 5% per year. So, 0.05. The number of periods N is equal to 12. We are required to determine the fair market value today, which is the same as the present value. So using the formula, PB is equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N over I. Substituting the value of R, the value of I, and the value of N, the final answer is 443,160 63.58 centavos. We'll have the next part of this lesson.